Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Netvue solar panel not charging, troubleshooting power and the connection issues. So guys, to optimize the physical placement and maintenance, this is our first fix. So guys, direct sunlight. Solar panel require the direct unobstructed sunlight. Ensure it is not shaded by the tree, apps or overhang. Second thing is guys, adjust the panel to maximize the sun exposure. Aim it to the southward at an angle roughly matching your altitude. Then guys, clean the surface. So dust, bird dropping and the debris heavily decreases the panel efficiency. So wipe the panel gently with a damp fiber cloths. After that, troubleshoot connection and the ports. Secure the connection, unplug and firmly plug the charger cable back into the camera and ensure the waterproof rubber seal is snug against the port to prevent the moisture which can corridor and connection the point. Then guys, check for the moisture. So inspect the debris spot and USB pins for water, dirt or band pins. You use a cotton swab and drop of isopropyl alcohol to gently clean out any debris or corrosion. Second thing is guys, inspect the wire running from the solar panel from the nicks, cuts and fairly. If the cable is compromised, it will fail to transfer the power. After that, fix there is diagnose the battery and the power output. So guys, to isolate the issue and unplug the camera from the solar panel and the charger it fully using the standard USB wall adapter. If it is charged successfully indoors, so your issue likely lie with the solar panel itself or the placement. If your camera battery is completely drained while connected, the camera may be using a more power than the solar panel and repurpose. So consider reducing the camera motion sensitivity or the length of the video clips in the Netvue app. After that guys, restart and reboot the devices. Sometimes the camera internal system stop registering the solar power inputs. So disconnect the camera from the solar panel. Use a ejector pin or the paper clip to press and reboot the button. Then reconnect the solar panel and check the Netvue app to see if the charging icon appear. Then guys, contact the support team. If you try to troubleshoot and your solar panel still provide the zero charge, the panel or the camera internal recharge, the battery may have degraded or suffered a hardware failure. So you reach out the Netvue support center or visit the Budify help center to inquire about warranty replacement or the spare parts. So this is the way that you can do, and guys, thank you and have a nice day.